जाओगे तो ब्रिगेड रोड जाओगे,
सामने से राइट. Wow.
Can't see one denim also. Bro, they've cleaned up the place very well, bro.
अच्छा, इससे पहले it wasn't.
So vehicles are not allowed here.
Okay.
So if a cop catches them, you'll get fined like this.
अच्छा. वाह यार, ये तो full power market area है.
You come here in the afternoon, bro. If it was a Saturday evening or Saturday afternoon, it would be
Packed.
filled, bro.
I can talk to the also.
So what kind of things?
Just
the
about.
showroom wala road.
ठीक है.
They've got all kinds of showrooms. There's Mochi, there's Raymond's over there.
ठीक है, तो पहले ये कर लेते हैं, फिर ये वाली कर लेते हैं.
Heavy haggling happens over
Every?
there. Heavy haggling, like price,
अच्छा.
fixed price 99. Even that people will negotiate.
So this is the full Sarojini Nagar vibe. Like we have Sarojini Nagar, na?
Yeah. So this place in Tamil Nadu, there's this place called Tirupur. That's where
Tirupur.
most of the fabric for all these big brands start from there.
Oh yeah, you
So
were
all
telling
the first
that
copy
day.
rejects, everything comes from Tirupur itself. So this is the hub for them.
Okay.
It's nice there. Everybody gets business, bro. It's not like all small shops, they have competition side by side. But still everybody gets business.
And this is also really old.
Yeah. This has been for a very long time. Come, we'll just walk around.
ठीक है. किधर भी चलते हैं.
हाँ. यहाँ से गलियों में we can go to शिवाजी नगर.
ठीक है.
Vishnu Sagar. This place is also still alive. I've never seen this place so calm, bro. And I've not come to this place in like years now.
Very nice. Sorry.
Okay, mad, bro. बहुत कुछ है bro इधर. For us boys, nothing is there.
लड़कों के लिए कुछ नहीं.
You have to go Shivaji Nagar and struggle with that. Lot of fakes also you'll get over there.
Lot of
Fakes.
fakes.
Yeah. You'll be branded as Zara and all.
Uh-huh.
Like even cosmetics over there.
Ooh, chuha. What do you call chuha in Kannada?
Ili.
Kili.
Ili.
Ili.
I-L-L-I.
Ili.
Oh, Kanta. Oh, fucking drunk boys. Lazo.
Thirty come 120, 120. Hey, 120, 120. 30 रुपए कम, 30 रुपए कम. पैसे दिए तो वसूल करा था, सेम कपड़ा.
पैसे दिए तो वसूल कराता है. पैसे दिए तो वसूल कराता है. What dialogues these people.
बहुत सही होते हैं ये दुकान वालों के तो बहुत सही.
One time I came with a friend of mine.
हाँ.
This random guy comes up, he's like, "अरे ऋतिक रोशन, आओ तेरे को शर्ट दिलाता हूँ." Just take me, bro. Like heavy strategist.
They know how to at least make you come visit the shop. बाकी का फिर हाँ.
And if anybody visits the shop, they'll end up buying
Something.
something or
क्योंकि
the
वो
other.
सामने वाले ने अपनी एनर्जी खर्च की है तो आपको भी ऐसे बुरा लगता है.
We go like this and take a look.
ठीक.
ये नया.
हाँ जी.
Oh yeah, this used to be the what is that? They used to organize all these Hajj pilgrimages and all over that.
Oh.
So a lot of people would assemble there and
Oh.
celebrate.
इधर सबसे मिनिमम टेम्परेचर क्या जाता है ठंड में? 15?
15 तक नहीं जाता.
नहीं जाता.
18.
18 है.
18 is the coldest I think.
ओके.
But it's got that weird kind of humidity, you know, so it hits you even more harder. Like all the wind and all.
या.
Like very good. If we go straight, we'll go Fraser Town. That is also a very posh area.
ओके.
Bade घर. Like there, 1 2 BHK rent will be around like 40 grand or something. More expensive than this.
So this whole area is north of Bangalore.
This is central.
Okay.
After this is all Nepal and all that becomes north of Bangalore.
Okay. तो ये क्या हम अभी अपना KR मार्केट ये सब के पास में ही है क्या?
हाँ, वो main road जो दिखाया ना मैंने.
Okay.
In the main road, if you go straight on the other side, you'll get KR Market and Majestic.
Okay.
Majestic is actually the center.
Majestic is the center.
This is all around.
And Majestic is the main railway station, no?
Yeah, bus stand and railway station. Okay. This road became quiet.
बीच में कुछ ऐसे वो आ जाता है ना पैच. नॉन हैपनिंग.
So you only do all the edits and everything.
Everything. Now only I just hired an intern. तो अभी वो शुरू कर रहा है काम.
सही है bro.
बहुत सही है.
Today only I went through your profile.
अच्छा.
All your posts.
हाँ.
That was a lot, bro.
Yeah. मतलब I've made sure that one video goes every day on the YouTube channel.
And you've been doing this for
3 years.
3 years.
Hmm.
What was your education and all that?
So I did sociology, bachelor's में. बस.
सही है.
हाँ. भाई बहन बड़े हैं तो उन लोग के साथ अलग अलग कामों में उनके साथ काम कर लिया. सोशल मीडिया कर लिया, ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया.
How many siblings do you have?
2. 1 elder brother और एक बड़ा भाई. Sorry, बहन और भाई. 8 साल 10 साल. ओ यार मदुराई का स्ट्रीट फूड.
Madurai street food is amazing, bro.
नहीं खाया मैंने ऐसा कुछ भी कहीं भी.
that way Bangalore doesn't have much
Street food scene going on.
Authentic,
Yeah.
Bangalore thing. So people from everywhere come and make their own stalls also.
Yeah. So what is that one famous Karnataka dish?
Ragi mudde.
Ragi
Mudde.
mudde.
Yeah, it's ragi balls. They
Acha.
make it with like different curries and all.
Okay.
The dry ragi ball, you dip it in the curry and make it. It
Ah.
goes mostly with non-veg.
Okay.
But other than that, this bisibele bath.
Bisibele bath.
Yeah, it's like a khichdi,
Okay.
but with bele. Bele is some kind of a gram.
Acha.
Or something like that.
And do you guys also experiment dosa with like meat stuff?
Yeah, yeah. So this neer dosa,
Huh.
they eat it with fish curry or chicken curry.
Acha.
Yeah. They eat a lot of meat over here, bro. There are this community called Gaudas.
Gouda.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like how Reddis are there in the Telugu community, Gaudas are of the Kannada community.
Ah.
They built a lot of meat, bro.
Acha.
Yeah. So one friend of mine was there. I used to go to his place to teach him engineering so that he clears.
Huh.
His mom would make 3 sides of chicken,
Huh.
and then there would be 2 big ragi balls,
Oh.
and then one chicken gravy. And his
Oh.
mom would belt me if I don't finish the food on the plate.
अच्छा.
How much they used to eat.
हम ये वाली स्ट्रीट से नहीं आए ना? हाँ, हम
ऐसे गए?
ऐसे गए थे, अब ऐसे जाए.
You want to build something? Or something like that?
अगले 8 मिनट में करते हैं. हाँ, ये इधर टाइम आता है ना तो मैं अपने आप को ब्रेक्स देती हूँ कि एटलीस्ट 20 मिनट्स ऑफ वॉकिंग देन वाटर, 20 अनदर मिनट्स ऑफ वॉकिंग देन जूस. अच्छा, तो यू कम फ्रॉम लाइक हिंदू फैमिली, नो?
Yeah.
और मतलब रिलीजियस फैमिली
Not
इश.
much.
ओके.
Not much. I think my relatives in my hometown and all are like super orthodox and all.
ओके.
But my family is pretty chill, bro.
अच्छा.
In that Jainagar house, my neighbor used to be a Muslim,
हाँ.
and that person's tenants used to be Kashmiris.
अच्छा.
And that time in that road, there were like only 8 houses.
Huh.
We were the only ones who had a landline.
लैंडलाइन.
Yeah. So
Phones.
everyone would come to our place to make phone calls and all of that. We would split the bill accordingly.
अच्छा. Ah.
So like that, exposure only changes people, no? They tend to be more and more orthodox because they're not exposed to different. That's why I like being in Bangalore.
या
एक ही जगह में बैठ के सब
सब कुछ सब कुछ मिलेगा.
The
People
only
wise.
other place other than Bangalore I like is Goa. Because Goa is also same scene but international.
या गिम्बल.
It is a gimbal.
या.
Such a tiny gimbal. bro.
ठीक है, तो अभी भी ये भी क्या चल रहा है हमारा?
ये उधर एक मॉस्क है. That is like the main mosque of this area.
नो, बट शिवाजी नगर हैज स्टार्टेड नाउ, नो?
हाँ. From there right लेके लेफ्ट लोगे तो पूरा शिवाजी नगर.
ठीक है, तो मैं इसको
शिवाजी नगर also like
यस 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 यस.
Oh yeah, we'll go to that church
Yes,
also.
Vanni madam. आइए मैम.
द फेमस चर्च. ओके.
Give your number, carry.
नहीं, सही है, सही है. एक सेकंड, आई वाइंड दिस अप.